Hello everyone, my name is Thryss. If you are new to my channel, hi, how are ya? If you are not new, that means you are a returning Stitchy, so welcome back. Okay, so I ordered a mystery box. Is anybody surprised that my no-buy is failing awesomely? No. Okay, so I was looking for some new mystery boxes. I was going to buy Mary Maxim, but he's full of blanket yarn and no thank you. So I just googled yarn mystery box, and this was one of the first things that came up, and I've never heard of it, so I thought I was going to give it a try. So this company is Park Avenue. And from the little bits that I'm seeing on there, I think they also do sewing stuff. I think that's actually maybe how they started out, but they are doing yarn now. So this was a $50 mystery box, and it claims to have more than $100 or more in value in yarn. Now, I'm not gonna lie, $50, I was expecting a larger box. But it's not the size of the box, it's what's in the box that matters. Supposedly. So, okay, we're just going to... All right. Okay. Ooh, so... Okay. She's busting out. And not because she's full. The adhesive failed on the box, which is totally fine. Okay, so the box is actually really cute. It has like mystery box stamped on the front. So I'm doing this video in the middle of the night because I drink too much caffeine and I can't sleep. So the lighting's, well, actually the lighting's not that bad. Okay, but this is the size of the mystery box. She feels a little petite, but okay, I digress. So let's see what's in here. Is it worth it? All right. So the first thing on top is definitely not in my wheelhouse of preferred colors, but that's okay. Here's the thing. I am starting to learn that even if it's not my most favorite color in the world, that all colors have a use. Sometimes they are meant to be there to contrast other colors to help pump those colors up. So I'm starting to learn to embrace colors that I don't typically go for. Yeah. Okay, so this is by Noro. Hold, please. Okay, had to find my loop. All right. So what are you? All right, this is Noro Sonata. It is 35% cotton, 25% viscose, 20% silk, and 20% polyamide. It is a 2-weight, and it has 300, I can't tell if it's 393 or 303 yards. I think it's 393, and it is in the color chartreuse, which is very, very fitting. It's soft, you know, it feels like Noro yarn. I like it. So there is that. I don't know. There's only one of them. I don't know if I can do anything with 3. I don't know. Can you do a hat out of 393 yards of a sport weight? I think you can. Yeah, I think you can. So, okay. So there's that. Oh, I was just looking at this the other day on Little Knits. Okay. So this is one of my favorite brands, Juniper Moon Farms. This is called Zooey Soft Cotton Linen Blend. It is 60% cotton, 40% linen. It is a number 2 weight. You all know I love my lightweight yarn, so I'm happy about that. It is 100 grams, 284 yards. This is in color number 10, Arise. It is it's black. Let's see if it's chain spun. It is not chain spun. So that is what this is. Just a cotton linen. Feels fine. Reminds me of the feel of that Barocco Medina that you guys know. I love that stuff. I love high twist yarns because I like doing like lacy projects or like a swimsuit cover up or something. I like the high twist yarn for that, so that's cool. Ooh, okay. This is the last of the full size things. So this is from LITLG. Life in the... I can't read it. It's in cursive. My vision is too bad for all the squiggles. This is... It says Hinterland, 75% BFL, 25% Gotland. This is also a 2/8, 382 yards in the color bronze. So it's, oh, I thought it was solid, but there's other colors in here. So there's different hues of brown, and then that looks, is that just, that is there. Okay, I thought it was just like a sheen. That's red. So there's different, it is mostly brown. Yeah, it is mostly brown. It's brown with a little bit, a hint of red. At least in that one spot there was red. I'm not really seeing red anywhere else, but anyway, yeah, so that's that. Okay. There's 2 more items. All right. This is, it's a lemon. It's a yarn lemon. Okay, I took the band off. This is Cascade. I think it's called Fixation. It's 98.3% cotton, 1.7% elastic. It's a 50-gram ball, 100 yards relaxed. For best results, knit while yarn is relaxed. Do not stretch on needles. Made in Brazil. Color number is covered up. Let's see. I've never heard of this. Okay. It looks like a linen. So, oh, interesting. Oh, it's definitely elastic. Definitely elastic. But I don't know what on earth I would do with such a small amount. So 50 grams of 100 yards makes this like a DK. Yeah, makes this like, makes it a DK weight. Yeah, I don't know that there's anything I can do with just one of those. Okay, and then the final thing is whatever this is. So this is by The Loom, original silk yarn. Their website is The Loom Bangkok. This is in the color Fusilli. It's 174 yards. Of a sport weight. It's a 25-gram ball. All right. Alrighty. So let me see. It's roving. It goes from thread to sport weight. But yeah, okay. So I think, okay. Okay, I'm disappointed. Like, I mean, I'm disappointed in the sense that, like, it's not necessarily things that I'll, you know, use. But that's okay, because not every mystery box is fitted for every single person. You're bound to get something that you don't like. You know, the fun is the mystery. I think I got $50 worth. I do. I think I made my money back. I don't think this is over $100 worth. I really don't. Hold on just a second. Okay, just going by the prices that they have marked on here, it's $81. So it's close. But you know, it was you pay $50 and you get at least $100 worth of yarn. So like Crystal always says, yarn is worth what you'll pay for it. So will I be buying one again? No. But maybe this just wasn't, you know, the box for me. This could be like an outstanding box for somebody else. I think that there needs to be more transparency with the value of the yarn that you're going to be getting. If you're supposed to get $100 worth of yarn, you should get $100 worth of yarn. I don't think that these prices are inflated. I really don't. I can tell you that the Noro and the Juniper Moon Farms, I know for sure, is not inflated. This is par for what you would pay anywhere else. So I will say that the prices, I think, are spot on these tags. Yeah. $50 worth, yes, absolutely. So that being said, yeah, sure, I got my money's worth. I got more than $50 worth. 100%, I got more than $50 worth. I'm sure this is like brilliant for somebody. Honestly, these aren't bad. I like this. So here's what I'm thinking. Okay, I'm not keeping these. I don't have any use for these. This is cool. I'll use a black sport weight 100%. Brown, I'm really starting to love the color brown. I'm sure I can work this into something. That's what all these are going to be. I'm probably going to do a giveaway, put this in a giveaway. Let somebody else have some Noro, you know. I think I could totally use this color in something. I could over dye this, honestly. That could be a lot of fun. But I'm going to put this in a giveaway, or put it in a mystery box or something like that. But these two, I can definitely work these into something. So that's awesome. That's really awesome. I've wanted to try this yarn, and I've never heard of this brand, so that's cool. So my final thoughts are, it is absolutely worth more than the $50 I spent. It was fun opening it and seeing yarns I've never seen before, touching yarns I've never touched before. I personally probably, well, I don't know, maybe I would try it again. I believe in second chances, you know. I think it's just maybe not my particular cup of tea. I don't think it was worth the $100 that it claimed to be worth. That I do have a problem with. But I would do it again. I would do it one more time and see how that goes. And if it went really well, then I would probably do it again. If it didn't go so well, then I probably would hang my hat up and, you know, not do it again. So I would say it's worth a try if you want to get some luxury yarns, because it's all, you know, higher end luxury yarns. I'm going to leave, it's up to you if you think that it's worth it. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. Sound off below and tell me what do you think? Do you think that this was worth the $50? Or do you think it wasn't? I'm curious to hear your thoughts. I'm satisfied. It's fine. You know, it's totally fine. Everything has a use. I'll give some things away. I'll keep a couple things myself. I got my money's worth, so, you know, say la vie. So I know that was a really quick video, but I was dying to dig into that. So tell me, guys, what you think, and stay safe and stay weird. And there is a video that definitely came out before this one. It is most likely my most recent video. I just got done filming it. I'm not sure what I named it, but I think homeless is probably in the title. If you have not already, please go give that video a watch, or go to Dee's channel and watch a video that she has introducing a guest. It is very important. So yeah, okay, well, stay safe, stay weird, and I love you guys. Bye.